Shuwa na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Menta kasngi ka khat South Rik ujemang arhajar arpoi kajing Tika ya kiba khat prasnem hadu South nem kelas dang Khlem kajela bat hapo ka East Hills District katanat ka kota khia kalabu hakisantli ki jaga kata ha Civil Hospital Shillong, Nazareth Hospital, Bethany Hospital, Mimhans, Ranja State Dispensary. Nakaliang unong sain Hima layo punya keren bat ki kato kani ki samla ki bawan syakmat ban ai ya kani ketika ha kasin ka ban nengkong ha ka ba nakaliang ka jongki ki lapan pau ba ka jing penrung kerteng ban wan ai tika kasuki ban yo kloi ki ha ban pendon kam ya ki laptop bat ki mobiles jongki shu nakaliang jongki ni ki samla ki kentu ki para samla baro ban wan syakmat ban wan ai tika ban yada yalade na kani ka Khlem.
It was a rush because we had to reload the page every time and the website was fully flooded, so like it would even lag sometimes. And that was the only problem. It wasn't much. It feels good. It's a little painful, but like it's fine. I think all of us should get vaccinated as soon as possible because I don't know, like it's a very big step towards immunizing yourself and like keeping yourself protected, and it's very important. That's all.
Okay, actually yesterday it was open around 12 o'clock, so we registered same time only with 2-3 mobiles laptop, so we got only in civil. So after that it's all slot are full. Okay. Because most of the people are going back because they didn't register yesterday, so they send them back home. Yes, because most of the people, they don't know how to use mobile phone, like smartphone actually. So for them to, it's very difficult. They don't know. They were standing there. They were asking like, how did you did? We don't have that much. Like nobody was there to help them. So I said, yeah, but you have to do only with the help of somebody, anybody like your neighbor or something. Okay. It's 10:30, 11:30.
10:30. So as soon as you arrived here, everything was everything went smoothly, or did it take time?
It took time because that time I reached around 10:30 like that. So at that time it's 9:30 was going on. A bit slow, but it's okay.
Good morning everyone, my name is Piyade. I work in Delhi. As of now I'm in Shillong because Shillong is my hometown. We came back a few days ago seeing the situation in Delhi.
Just a process, if you can tell us.
The process was actually simple. However, I came to know that due to the rush, many people did not get the slots today. I was lucky enough that my brother registered for me and I got the slot today. And that too an early slot in the morning. Actually 2 weeks back also I registered on a different number and I did not get any slot, and then my brother took the initiative. He registered for me yesterday again and I got the slot for today. Plus I have seen that the entire process is very hassle free. You don't have to get worried about how the things will go about. People are taking care. All the staff and administrative at the civil hospital, they have taken care fully that the entire process goes around smoothly. And once you have taken your vaccination, they also give you a certificate, which is a provisional certificate, and you'll get the final certificate after your second dose. That is really true because see, I was in Shillong and when I registered, I did not get any slot. My brother is in Assam and he registered from there, and that is how I got the slot. Shillong, we do have connectivity problems, and due to the net connectivity, it's possible that many people are not getting the slots. However, not to get worried, the government is making sure that each and every citizen does get vaccinated. So today or tomorrow, we will definitely get the slot. I'm lucky enough I got it today, but everyone will get vaccinated. There's nothing to worry about it. Till then, be safe, take care, practice yoga, practice meditation, and wear mask. Even at home, if you can wear your mask, maintain social distancing, and everything that the government is telling you to do, kindly follow those steps.
Hello, my name is Ruma Haltungar. I stay in Vishnupur. So I came for the vaccine for the first dose. That's 500.
500. Okay. Now,
yeah, it's easy. Actually, we need to do the registration and then we need to book the slot as per our convenient timing. And after that, yeah, it's easy. Like less people out here, and it's very good. Like the nurses and all, like they have explained us very properly, very nice. Yeah, I think like private is a better option. But I don't know about the government. It will be a crowded. Like most of the people will prefer to go to government hospital. But the thing, like in private, yeah, if it's paid one, then obviously it will be easy for them.
Okay.
We started the registration for the slot booking exactly after 12. So within like just 5-10 minutes, we got the registration. I think everyone should get vaccinated, as maybe it's for the safety of our citizens, and it's we should go for the vaccine.
There is no problem. It's only for the second dose due.
Okay.
8 weeks में उसमें बोला था.
हाँ. आपको लगता है कि थोड़ा सा मतलब पहले बताना चाहिए, फालतू से आप लोग आ गए यहाँ?
पेपर में दिया है इन्होंने आज वैसे तो कि आफ्टर 12 वीक्स 8 to 12 वीक के लिए होगा.
तो अभी
कंफर्मेशन के लिए आए थे कि क्या वाकई ही 18 वीक के बाद.
हाँ. तो अभी उन्होंने क्या बोला कि डोसेस है या नहीं?
नहीं, डोजेस के बारे में बात नहीं. उन्होंने कहा सेकंड डोज देंगे तो वो पेपर में एडवर्टाइजमेंट करेंगे, उसके बाद शुरू करेंगे.
ठीक है.